Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying a new product for you. Well, there's 3 products in the release, and that's the Bondi Sands Glo collection. So these products are like wash off tanners. So we have the Gloss Finishing Glow, the blue one, and then we have the Matte One Day Tan, the pink one. And then we have the Shimmer One Day Tan, which is the yellowy gold one. So I was only going to get like 1 or 2, but when I went into Priceline earlier, I was like, stuff it, I'm going to get all 3. And I had a bit of like rewards money, so I was like, why not? So I jumped on that and I bought all 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demo this for you. Please keep in mind that it's the middle of winter and I'm freezing, and it's freezing in this house. So what I'm doing for you is pretty big, and I hope you appreciate it. So just thought I'd get that one out the way. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one to put like all over my chest, and depending how it looks and how I feel and how freezing cold I am, I think I'll do one of the other ones on each arm and show you the results there. Just because Bondi Sands always have products that bang, if I say so myself. They're the tanning brand that I've used the most and the one that I've been most loyal to. So I'm always keen to try new things from Bondi Sands. So in saying that, I really want to try the Shimmer One Day Tan on my chest, because obviously we like things to look nice and shimmery and pretty. So I thought that would be a good one to start off with. So let's get into it. Okay, before you say anything, yes, my makeup is darker because I want to see if this is going to match my makeup, if it's that good. I look even paler in these lights. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, I think they say to like use it with a mitt. Yeah. So I have an application mitt. So I'm just going to put some. Very watery, but that's kind of good. Okay, so I've got about that much on. I don't want to go overboard because I just want to make sure that it's good, and I don't want to overdo it, so I can like do the other 2 on my arms. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just going to apply it all over my chest. Holy shit. Oh god. Okay, well that's caused a bit of a stir, hasn't it? Oh my good lord. I'm looking in the viewfinder to do this because I cannot see what I'm doing myself. Probably not a good idea to wear half white bikinis. I don't know if I put too much on. Oh dear lord, this is a disaster. I feel like it looks nice. I think I'm just like not rubbing it in quick enough. God. I'm going to put a little bit more on my neck. See how that looks. Oh god. Just put a little bit on there. Wouldn't have been a bad idea to put my hair up. I think I just need to do it in like a proper mirror because I can't really see what I'm doing. So that is the shimmer. The next one I'm going to try, but on my arm this time, is the gloss. So I'm going to put it all over my arm and see what it looks like. I hate these security things. Oh my god. Okay, doing the same thing with the gloss. Just putting some on my mitt. And this one actually looks way more golden than the other one. This is much more like glowy, obviously, because it's called the glossy one, but you know. Okay, I'm going to do this arm. So this is before. Pretty white compared to my chest at the moment. Now let's do this. Oh wow, that is nice. As you can see, it's added like a nicer kind of olivey tone, and it's much more glowy. This one's like fluorescent because I'm so white but then this one's a little bit nicer, as you can see. I'm going to put a bit more on. Quite like this one. Oh my god, that is so nice. I already look so glowy. Wow, I really like that. I don't know if it's coming up as well on camera, but that is like so glowy and so nice, and it dries down really quickly. Once again, compared to my other arm, so nice. So if you like things to be a little bit more matte, obviously you can try the matte one, which I'm going to do on my right arm. So that one's much more kind of caramel. It actually looks like a foundation. Okay, so this is my arm before. Now let's put it on. That's really natural. Oh my gosh, it dries so fast. Like I actually feel like I've put nothing on. It's like, where did it go? But you can see that there's a massive difference. Already you can see that I'm much more tanned and like ready to run out the door, which is amazing because I get so sick of like tanning or, you know, having events or having plans at the last minute and you're still like at home and you haven't tanned in like a week. I reckon this is going to be my new favorite thing, so I'm really excited. Going to put a bit more on. Ooh. Obviously just make sure you're like rubbing it in everywhere so you don't have any like harsh marks or anything. This might look a bit rough, but I'm not doing anything, so I just thought I'd show you on camera, so don't mind me if I've like skipped a little bit of my arm, because I just wanted to show you how it worked, and I wanted to do a first impression to actually try the product because it just hit Priceline, so I ran out and got it and I'm like, yes, thank God. Okay, so the end result. So this is the shimmer on my chest, this arm is the glow, and this arm is the matte. This arm's way darker than the glow, so obviously I think the glow's a bit better if you just want that natural look. Shimmer's like pretty extra, gives you like a lot of tanned, more tanned results.